How to link WhatsApp to multiple devices. In this quick video, I'll show you how to link your WhatsApp account to multiple devices without needing your phone to stay connected. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Click on search bar and open WhatsApp. Make sure to log into your account. After that, tap on three dots on Android or settings on iPhone on the bottom right corner. Then click on link device option. Now tap the link a device option. You may be asked to unlock with fingerprint or Face ID for security. On the device you want to link, open wave.whatsapp.com in a browser or open WhatsApp desktop app. Use your phone to scan the QR code on other device. You can link up to 4 devices, and the best part is they stay connected even if your phone is offline. To log out of a device, just go back to link device. Then tap the one you want and choose logout, and that's it. This is how you link WhatsApp to multiple devices. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.